there?
Yeah, sure. Thank you. Yes. Okay.
This one doesn't need to come out all the way. And the reason why is that it slides out right there.
Oh, okay.
Okay? Just needs to be loosened enough. Okay, so once you've popped it out of that little prong there that's behind this side right there.
Okay.
Okay?
Yeah, sure.
And it's just a jiggle and pop. See these little rivet things right there? Or no, not rivet things. Alignment. Yep.
Yeah.
Those can get sticky sometimes. Peel back, get in there, and just jiggle her out. May have to use a little bit of force. Oh, forgot. Gotta take off the bumper too.
Oh.
Just a smidge. So the bumper, you kind of just, it just clicks into place.
Oh, okay.
Okay? You kind of just got to give it a little bit of a nudge here. See those little clips? That slides into that slot right there. And then just clips in. And this literally can pop out. It got caught. There we go. I have a headlight that I replaced that's a little backwards, but it's okay. Pulling it out. Okay, that was clicked into there. Okay, super easy. Pinch and pull, just like so.
Okay.
Okay. This right here doesn't come with a harness. You have to reuse your old harness. Okay? Not a big deal. Super easy. That's why I got this out, so we don't scratch things. This one's got a little protective surface on it, but these all just twist out. Pay close attention to high beams and low beams. Okay? Peel these suckers out. It's usually burnt, and that's all I'm going to tie these into. This is that little parking light there. These right here go for that. Should have grabbed another towel. Super easy. Okay, it's got the little special pedestal for it to click into. There's alignment tools inside there. Same thing. This one has a double to indicate high beam. Blinker. Another running light. Mine's burnt out, so. All right, and then another parking light. So what we can literally do is we can either cut this splice into it, or sometimes they have little plugs you can stick in there. LEDs are positive sensitive, if you didn't know that. Should have came here with some more specialized tools here. But that's okay. MacGyver finds a way. These aren't exactly the proper tools to do it, but it'll get her done. Nine times out of 10, black is negative, brown is going to be positive. Red is positive, black is negative. This is just a personal thing I like to do, is twist it. Not a huge necessity. Usually I would have a butt connector and some black tape, but I didn't come prepared for that. You have any tape in the house?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah? Can we get something for that?
Yeah, sure. Do you want to just install it?
Sure. I like to keep the protective film on it if possible.
Mm-hmm.
Again, literally just clicks into place. You can hear it click. Okay. I try to set it in here in such a manner to where it doesn't fall. Woohoo. Or scratch or break anything. Come on now. Yeah. Alright. Make sure nothing's getting pinched. Make sure those wires aren't touching any metal because they're kind of bare since we're doing this for show purposes. Should be good. Make sure, oopsie, that's the spot right there. I went inside.
Oh, yeah.
Yep, need to readjust.
Uh-huh.
Just gonna set this in here for show purposes right quick. Get the full effect. Okay. Watch out. I'm trying to show these headlights off. Very easy install. This is a Chevy Avalanche. Also fits Tahoe Suburbans. 07 to 13. Factory mounting. Fitment is pretty dang good. Both sides. Shut them all the way off. Turn them all the way on. Turn them all the way off.